Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone. Today I'm going to share a few of the important links you can add in your risk assessment project IG2 of NEBOSH, which is very much needed to everyone, whoever is trying to achieve NEBOSH IGC exam or kind of qualification. But I'll share just as an example of ILO regulations for each hazard, what sort of links you can provide there. So let me share that Excel file. If you see this element, like we have total 11 elements of an NEBOSH IGC. So the first four elements are relevant to IG1, and IG2 is all about element 5 up to 11. So element 5 starting with the hazard categories like noise, also we have vibration, we have radiation, we have mental ill health, violence at work, and also substance abuse at work. So but all these hazards categories, because you have to select a category, and then accordingly if you are explaining something, then bear in mind as per ILO conventions code of practice like C148 is relevant to working environment, air pollution, noise and vibration. Also we have article 8 to 40, and also C155 occupational safety and health convention. I mean, just a little bit to be more visible. So let me zoom it a little more even. No harm to do it. So C155 Occupational Safety and Health Convention 1985, number 155, 812, 16, 18, and 819 is all about the noise actually. So C167 is Safety and Health and Construction Convention like 1988. So number 167, that means A17, A28, A30, and A33. That's also talking about noise. But the key point to understand is the A12, like here, article 8 to 14 of C148 is all about preventive protective measures. Okay. Just little smaller so I can give a better shape. Now, C155, Occupational Safety and Health Convention 1981 is A12 like hazard controls, A16 safe workplace, A18 belong to first aid, and same way we have C167 like A17 plant machinery equipment, A28 health hazards, A30 is PPs, and A33 like IITS, and also C148 we have article 8 to 40 preventive and protective measures. So it's vibration. So C12 is relevant to hazard controls. A16 is first day of workplace, safe workplace. Same way we have C16. So what I mean is each area, which exactly the article belong to, which sort of area is quite clear to everyone there. Now radiation is C1115 Radiation Protection Convention 1960. So number 115, Article 5, 11, and 30. They are relevant for restricting exposure, and Article 6 and 7, maximum permissible dosage, and also A8 exposed nearby people. A9 and 10 is kind of alerting, instructing, training companies. So what I mean is, whatever hazard you are targeting, or you are talking about some sort of controls, or you are explaining, based on which international standards you conducted your risk assessment. So you can give exact reference from that Excel sheet. Same way for mental ill health is C161, and Article 9 to 15 is all about condition of operation. And A5 particular is relevant to safe workplace and surveillance, and A11 is competent profession to examine health. So this is, again, some references from C155, some from C67, and you can see like, it's quite clear to everyone there. Now, violence at work is C190, violence and harassment, like Convention 2019. But A4 is relevant to adopting different approach to mitigate violence and harassment, and A7 and 9 is protection and prevention, and A10 is all about enforcement and remedies. So Article 7 to 12 and A11 especially is IATS, and substance abuse at work is ILO code of practice, management of alcohol, drug related issues. We also have work-related upper limb disorder ergonomics workstation, that is C161, like Occupational Health Services Convention, 1985. So Article 9 and 15 is condition of the operation. A5 say workplace and surveillance. A11 is company and professional exam. So manual handling is C127, but exactly the article or number you have to describe, like technical improvement of reduce and limiting exposure to vulnerable group. And then again, for manual handling, C155 is also supporting same with some of the articles, and C67 is also supporting with through some articles like plant machine equipment and health hazard and PPs, and also IITS and load handling equipment, again C67, different article numbers. Then C74, again different article numbers as per the kind of the hazards or the risk, and what exactly the control measures, the preventions or protection or documentation we required. Hazardous substances, C170 is all about chemical convention like 1990. So different articles, classification related measures and responsibilities. So I hope it will help you. Like look at more deeper, like substances is C 170, then 167, one C 155, and C 174 with different articles as per different controls and kind of you know the area to be covered in our risk assessment. Now C 161, that's also supporting. Now, health, welfare, and work environment, again, C161 with different articles, condition of operation, say workplace and surveillance. C167 is also supporting, especially for health hazard, fire control, people's first and welfare facility. Then C155 is also linking here, like because health, welfare, and work environment is talking about is a element 8. Then also for working at height, we have C167, safety and construction. We also with different articles supporting like PPs, first aid, hazard control, safe workplace. So whatever you are writing there, especially the control or kind of hazard category. So make sure in the risk assessment you are giving the exact references, because without reference, if you're gonna write something, especially in the risk assessment project, uh, it would be hard for you to get the numbers. But every cell, every column is very much important to fill in. If you leave, because that should be the 100%. Like whatever exactly NEBOSH is asking, you have to fill that column, fill that cell, even that row, I would say. So same with the confined spaces are there, like C167, because it's also supporting like safety of workplace, excavation shafts, and different kind of articles like C74 is also helping us. C155 with different articles because they're talking about controls, safe workplace, first and etc. Loan working, this is another hazard category. So C155, say workplace and arrangement for emergencies, like Article 16 and Article 18 is supporting. Same way the slips and trades, C167 and C155 with different article numbers. So you can watch this video over and over and have some deep kind of understanding. So it will be helping you for IG2 project, inshallah. So movement of people and vehicles in the workplace, again C165, Article 16 and 28, transport of moving and material handling, physical hazard. Okay, so I hope it will be a good source for all of you to complete your IG2 assessment project. Work-related driving, C155, different article numbers, C174, and C167, because it's all about the transport and the controls and the kind of preventions, Now, E99, element 9 of IG2 is all about work equipment and machinery. So C119, guarding of machinery convention, that is also helping Article 6 to 11, protection of user machines with guard, and also C155, C167, C174, especially guiding us for hazard control, documentation of safety report, and inspection and even working responsibility. For fire, element of fire is C. Okay, so same way we have electricity. So I hope these article numbers and the exact references will be helping you. Thank you very much. So just subscribe our channel if you believe it is beneficial for all of you. Thank you very much. So nice.